So with everything that we have learned in chapter 3, let's try to implement that by using the turtle graphics concept as well. So in this section, we'll be discussing functions for determining the turtle's location, the direction in which it is heading, whether the pen is up or down, the current drawing color, and more. So first, you're determining the turtle's location. So from the previous chapter, we do know that turtle.xcore and turtle.ycore functions will give you the x coordinates of the turtle and y coordinates of the turtle respectively. So now if you want to check the x coordinates or y coordinates, you can use the if statement. So if turtle.ycore is less than 0, then you are asking the turtle to go to 0, 0. Same thing. If turtle.xcore is greater than 100 and turtle.xcore is less than 200, then maybe you are asking the turtle to go to 0, 0. So the statements inside the block can be anything. Here, the takeaway is you can use if statements with these conditions. So notice from the second video or from this slide, we spoke about Boolean data type, right? Boolean variables, which have the values either true or false. So when you are working with this, if xcore is greater than 100, this will give you the value true or false depending upon the location of your turtle. Same thing, this sub expression will give you the value true or false depending upon the location of your turtle. And based upon the operator that you have used, the program will be designed. Like, if both the conditions are true, only then the turtle will go to 0, 0. If any of these conditions is false, then the turtle will not go to 0, 0, but will just continue with the rest of the program. Same thing. If both of these conditions are false, then the turtle will not do anything. If any of these conditions are true, then the turtle will go to 0, 0. So now if you want to determine the turtle's heading, we can use turtle.heading will return the turtle's heading. So by default, it is returned in degrees. So we could just, we can also use the set heading function from the previous chapter. So if turtle.heading is greater than 90 and turtle.heading is less than 270, in that case, you can use set heading 180. So you're basically changing the direction of the face of your turtle. Same thing, turtle.ease down will return true if the pen is down. Turtle.ease down will return false if the pen is up. So if you are checking if the pen is up or if your pen is down when you're writing the program, you can just type if turtle.ease down, then turtle.pen up. If turtle not ease down, turtle.pen down. So this ease down or ease down will give you true or false. And as you are using the not operator, this can just negate whatever the condition is. And so that will be either true or false depending upon the sub expression's value, and you are executing the statement underneath this block. So when you just want to try the execution in the interactive mode, you can just type turtle.ease down and it will give you true if the turtle is pen down. If the turtle is in the condition of pen up, this will give you false. Next the thing is with visibility. If turtle.is visible, function will return true if the turtle is visible. The turtle.is visible function will return false if the turtle is not visible. So if turtle.is visible, turtle.hide turtle. Hide turtle is from the previous chapter. We also have show turtle. So turtle.pen color function will give you the string, like the output will be the string which is determining the color of the pen. So if you want to, same thing with the fill color as well, turtle.fill color will also give you a string output which is also the color of your filling color. So if you want to change that, if turtle.pen color is equal to red, so basically you're checking if the turtle.pen color is black, and let's say the turtle.pen color is black from here. So you're checking if that is still is equal to red. If it is not, then you're changing it to, if it is, then you're changing it to blue. Otherwise, you're just continuing the program. Same thing, if turtle.fill color is equal to blue, you're checking if the turtle's fill color is blue. If that is the case, you are changing that to white. With the turtle.background color, which is BG color, will also give you a string output with the color of the background. So if you want to change the color of the background, you can just have the statement if turtle.bg color is white, or you are basically checking if the background color is white. You can check for the background color if it is blue, if it is yellow, if it is any other color as well. In that case, if it is white, then you are changing that to gray. You can also use any relational operators as well. So if the turtle dot background color is not equal to white, you can change that turtle dot background color to white. For the pen size, when you call the function that is turtle dot pen size, it will give you the size of the pen that is being used in your window as of now. So if you want to check for any of the size, you can just say turtle dot pen size less than 3. And here in the second statement, you are assigning the pen size to 3. If it is less than 3, you are making sure that the pen size is 3. So when it is fed as when the number 3 is fed as an argument for this function pen size, that means you are assigning or you are making sure that the pen size is 3. If you are passing this without any argument inside the pen size function, so it is basically, it will just return the number that is associated with this pen size. Same thing, turtle dot speed will give you the number that is the speed of the turtle or the animation. If you want to change that speed, turtle dot speed greater than 0, then you are giving whatever number you want to set the animation speed as an argument for the function speed. So this is an example of using different statements. So if turtle dot speed is equal to 0, you're checking if the speed is equal to 0, then you're assigning the pen color to red. Otherwise, you're checking if the speed is greater than 5, then your pen color is now set to blue. Else, you're just checking if you're just making the pen color to green. So I hope this is clear. This chapter is clear. So with that, we have covered decision structures, single, dual, nested, relational operators and logical operators, string comparisons, Boolean variables, and determining the state of the turtle in turtle graphics. So the next video will be the lab for chapter 3, which I'll be posting soon.